Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Kia key fob. It's a pretty simple process. You just need a flat tip screwdriver like that, and then also your replacement battery. This takes one of these 2025 batteries, and these can be gotten on Amazon very inexpensively. And there's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. Now, what you want to do here is on this back side, press this button and pull the mechanical key out. So pull it out like that. Once you have that out, you can see this slot right here. You want to take your flat blade screwdriver, insert that in there. So just push in fully and twist. And that'll prop it like that. And then just carefully pull these apart. Now you've got access to your battery, and you can pop the old one out. Take your new battery, make sure it's that orientation, and then put these back together like so. And then you can test it right here. Make sure your red light's blinking. Insert your mechanical key, and you're back in action. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.